In the echoing halls of the Holy Roman Empire, a network of free cities quietly pried open a future for trade. Their charters bound merchants, craftspeople, and magistrates in a fragile alliance that could outmaneuver rival princes. Together, they forged legal norms and economic practices that fed the empire's resilience during centuries of reform. A guild in a free city navigates imperial privileges and negotiates with princes to secure markets, mints, and legal protections. The empire's strength lay not only in princes, but in these urban engines whose visibility grew as roads connected distant corners.